Welcome to the Cloud and Orchestration Masterclass. In legacy environments, ordering, racking, and configuring bare metal servers takes days or even weeks. With an orchestrator, an administrator simply builds a highly secure gold master template. Through API calls, the system rapidly clones virtual disks and injects network configurations, deploying entire fleets of servers in just minutes. These virtual machines need secure network connectivity. The hypervisor's virtual switch negotiates directly with the physical data center switches, seamlessly mapping virtual VLANs to physical VLANs. For security, orchestrators can deploy soft firewalls directly inside the hypervisor, creating isolated virtual DMZ segments. Traffic is deeply inspected before it ever hits your critical web servers. Because virtual machines are essentially just large files, they pose a theft risk. To prevent this, orchestration platforms integrate with an external key management server. Cryptographic keys are deployed to the hypervisor, encrypting the virtual machines at rest. If a rogue employee copies the disk files, they remain completely unreadable. Managing all this requires a single pane of glass. One window monitoring aggregates CPU, RAM, and storage metrics across the entire cloud fabric. But it goes beyond live stats. Using predictive artificial intelligence, the orchestrator detects historical growth patterns, warning you that storage performance will fail in 14 days, allowing you to proactively add capacity before applications crash. Finally, hardware naturally reaches its end of life. Replacing old servers used to cause massive weekend downtime. Now simply trigger maintenance mode. The orchestrator seamlessly live migrates all running virtual machines to healthy hosts with zero downtime. The old hardware is safely powered off and removed, risk-free. If you found this advanced visual masterclass helpful, please like and subscribe to FutureStack. Join us as we continue to decode cloud, infrastructure, and enterprise security architecture. See you in the next video.